The addition strip board is a Montessori math material used to help children understand and practice basic addition facts in a hands-on way. It is typically introduced in the Montessori primary, 3-6 years, classroom to reinforce addition concepts. Materials: a wooden board with a horizontal number line from 1 to 18. Blue strips, representing numbers 1-9. Red strips, also representing numbers 1-9. Purpose: to help children memorize addition, facts up to 9 plus 9. To visualize number combinations and sums. To reinforce conceptual understanding before moving to abstract addition. How to use the addition strip board. 1. Introduce the board. Show the child the board and the 2 sets of strips, red and blue. 2. Choose an equation example, 3 plus 5. 3, asterisk asterisk.
I need an intervention, divine intervention, you know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise, compromise, compromise. Improvise, improvise, improvise. Vacation and pure introspection, you know. There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. Your sadness doesn't compare